Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge. It's going to be a little bit crazy because I've never really done it before. It's going to see how much I really know my face. So I'm going to start by turning my viewfinder around. And I do have a mirror here, but I'm going to show you that I did turn around, I hope you can see, I did turn around my viewfinder so you can see in the mirror, and I'm going to put the mirror face down. I'm going to be doing everything today. I'm going to be doing lashes, eyeliner, foundation, like full-on makeup, okay? So hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all the fun things you like to do, and make sure you leave any comments down below of anything you'd like to see from me next. So let's see how I go. So I'm going to start with primer. So I just squeeze it on my hand first, rub it together, and then put it on my face. I don't know where to look, this is really awkward. Foundation. Now generally I use Revlon's Photoready in 006 medium beige, but I'm going to be just using BH Cosmetics Complexion Collection liquid foundation in sand today, so we'll see how that goes just on its own. Now I'm going to contour my cheeks. I guess your face is really easy, isn't it? It's when you start to do your eyes, it's going to be a little bit difficult. Oh, like my heart is pounding. It's a bit freaky. Okay, what's next? Gosh, if you don't look at yourself, you can't figure out. I guess eyebrows next. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. This is so funny. Yeah. Okay, so where I'm putting this is probably completely different to where it's actually going. Oh. Oh, this is gonna look terrible. This is gonna be so bad. So scared. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try and clean up the edges with some concealer, even though I don't even know what I've done. I'm going to be using the Revlon's Photoready little palette like this. It's got 5 colours and this one's in 530 Bohemian. So I'm going to just be following what it says to do on the back, just the numbers there. So it says this colour here is number 1, so it says it's a primer. So I put that, I'm guessing, all over the lid. second color it says to use is number 2, which is this blue color, and that says it's to take it. It says to take it all over the lid. So we'll do that too. Okay, so number 3, we're going to put the brown in the crease. Okay, the fourth thing it says to do is to put this pink shade here, this peachy pink, up on my brow bone. So okay, how does that look? Alright, so onto eyeliner. This is scary. Gosh, I really don't want to poke myself in the eye. I'm gonna try lashes now. This is really, I bet I look like a crazy person. Probably nowhere even near my lash line. This one's probably closer because I can see it more. Okay, so a bit of mascara. Put it on the bottom first. Whoa, oh, this is freaky. Now for lips, I'm going to do lip liner and everything. So here we go. Now I only did the lip liner to see if I could actually know where my lips were. Alright, I think I'm finished. Actually no. I wanted to do a little bit of black in the crease just to define it a little bit more. Really scared. Alright, let's check out this look. I'll turn the viewfinder around and we'll see what it looks like. Oh, it's actually not that bad. Okay, alright. Digging it, digging it. I'll have a look closer in the mirror. So it's actually not that bad at all. What the hizzy? Oh, let's look at the eyebrows. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, it's actually not bad. Like I pretty much got, like I'll zoom in. So it's a little bit thick. But the eyeliner's not bad. This eyebrow's pretty good. What do you reckon? My face is not bad. Let's check out the contour. Alright. Okay. Not bad at all, I think. Alright, so Let me know how you think I did. Leave any comments that you like. Let me know what you want me to do next. Also, all the things that I used will be in the bottom bar below. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, mwah, bye.